Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the Aura White. This is the box that it comes with. Very simple box. Inside, we're greeted with the phone, with a little pull tab. Here's a white color. It's our favorite. And this does come with a screen protector already installed. Let's take this plastic off. Inside the box, we also have the charger, some AKG headphones, the USB-C to USB-C wire, and the wired headphones. This is also more S Pen tips. In case you don't like how it writes, you can change it up with this. And there's also a information transfer tool right here. You also have in the cap some more documentation and a SIM card ejection tool. Taking a closer look at the phone. As you can see, it's a very beautiful device. We've been using it for about a day now, and it's amazing. No lag whatsoever. Let's take a closer look at the screen protector. As you can see right there on the camera, you can't even tell it's there. Here you have a USB-C port, you have a speaker, a microphone, some antenna bands on both sides, and the S Pen, which comes out with the click. And then you can pull it out, which does wake the device. And you click it back in to put it back away. Buttons feel very clicky, which we like. On top here you have the SIM card and the micro SD card slot, which goes up to 1 terabyte. You have another microphone, and I'm not sure what this is, but this line right here is a antenna line. On the back, you have the Aura White 3 cameras, a flash, and some other sensors, and nothing on the right. Overall, it's a very beautiful device. We're gonna try it out, see how we like it. We've had iPhones for the past 5 years, so we're not sure, but the screen and everything else seems to be very awesome. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.